My name is Linda Hengeveld and I'm a PhD student at the Vrije Universiteit in Amsterdam. I have a background in nutrition and dietetics, and 5 years ago I graduated as a Master of Science, also here at the VU University. Promise is divided in 10 work packages and I'm involved in work package 1. And the aim of work package 1 is to determine dietary characteristics and dietary patterns of community dwelling older adults. And we also examine how they relate to the development of malnutrition, frailty and muscle function. One of the studies I did was focused on the prevalence of a low protein intake in older adults. So we estimated the proportion of older adults from Europe and North America that had a protein intake below the current recommendation. And in another study we examined how protein intake and diet quality relate to the development of malnutrition and frailty in older adults. One of our main findings is that a lot of older adults do not reach the current recommendation for protein intake. The current recommendation for protein intake is to consume at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram body weight per day. But in one of our studies in which we looked at older adults aged 55 years and above from Europe and North America, we found that almost 20% of the participants did not reach the recommendation of 0.8 grams per kilogram body weight per day. I'm nearing the end of my PhD trajectory, so I'm currently writing my last 2 papers for my thesis. And furthermore, I'm writing the general introduction and the general discussion for my thesis. And I hope that the 2 papers will be published next year, and that at the end of the year I will be able to defend my PhD thesis. In one of our studies we found that a substantial proportion of older adults who live at home do not reach the recommendation for protein intake. And of course that's worrisome, but we also think that it's good that we have these data and that we can share it with stakeholders and draw attention and make them aware of the problem of low protein intake in older adults.